I can carry this heavy log and come. Oh, this is a very heavy log. It's alright, it's alright. My leg is caught in the stairs, but if I bend my arm the wrong way, I can get my phone. And I can call Annalie because she's right in my yard. Okay. One bar of battery left. Anna's calling. Why isn't she picking up her phone? I wonder what she wanted. Whatever, she'll call back, I guess. I'll try. What the fuck? She hung up again. I don't know what she's doing. She like took a long. Oh, Jesus. Okay. I'll try it one more time. Oh, Justin. What could possibly have her on the other line not answering the phone? Stupid phone. Oh no! Maybe I should call her back this time. No! Well, she's not picking up.